You showing Grandma? Say, this is my new pull-along toy. Now you're just going to stare at me, huh? Do you want to show everybody what it does? Also, we can show off your new shoes, huh? Yeah, those are pretty sweet shoes. Oh, really? Do you hear the dog barking? Oh, well, that's good to hear.